Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. JMMB Money Transfer has received approval from the Bank of Jamaica for Visa Direct, a solution that offers near real-time money transfers and enables individuals to move funds between accounts linked to eligible Visa cards. JMMB Money Transfer Visa cardholders need to provide their card number to the sender. The sender can then visit the website of any of the following partners: MoneyGram, Remitly, and PaySend. Log in, enter the amount they wish to send, select the direct deposit option, and enter the recipient's JMMB Money Transfer prepaid Visa card number to complete the transaction. For the April to June 2024 quarter, Palace Amusement reported movie attendance by 107,000 patrons in the period, with 30,000 movie lovers, or 28% of the quarter's overall attendance for Bad Boys 4: Ride or Die. This was released on June 6th, and the synchronized launch of 4DX technology in Auditorium 4 at Carib 5 Cinnamon Crossroads, St. Andrew. Movies such as Inside Out 2 and Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes made up the balance of movie attendance. In regards to the 4D seating, which moves the chair along with the action of the movie, the screen demand and interest for that 112-seat auditorium translated to 87% occupancy level. Overall, Palace Amusement earned a profit of approximately $72 million in June 2024. During trading for the period of September 6, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Pharmaceutical and medical supplies distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited, with 3,100,250 units, represented 23.65% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, with 1,534,222 units, represented 11.70% of the market value in terms of sales. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial, with 1,122,461 units, represent 8.56% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On September 6, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $39.21 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $52.43 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.39 and bought the US dollar for $156.75. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.64, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $3.20 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $118.85 and bought for $115.65. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.45, selling it for $209.20 and buying it for $201.75. For our credit report tip of the day, turning 50 often brings a renewed focus on securing your financial future. So if you're behind on retirement planning, leveraging your credit effectively can be a powerful tool to catch up. Consider these 2 strategies. First, check your credit report regularly. Start by reviewing your credit report to spot any errors or outdated information. Dispute inaccuracies to improve your credit score. Second, pay down high interest debt. Reduce high interest debt, particularly credit card balances. This lowers your credit utilization ratio and boosts your score. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.